Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Business Central Migration Assessment tool. What it does is it connects to your Dynamics GP SQL server and it scans all your transactions and it will tell you which one or which record needs to be fixed so that you can prepare before the migration begins. All right, so let's start. First thing you need to do is go to bcmigrationassessments.com and then you have to create an account. So I'm going to use my name at bc at gmail.com. All right, then I'll just use 1-800. Okay, company name, GP2BC Community. My role, I'm a CEO. Partner, okay, so number of employees, let me put 3, example only. And then I'm gonna use consulting. And when are you planning to move to the cloud? Let's say 12 to 18 months. I agree. I will here submit. All right. So after that, you will receive an email. Let me go to my email. Okay, so now I received the email. Click on that, and then it says click here to perform the assessment. Okay, so it will ask to go to the portal and download the assessment executable. Okay, so now it will ask me to download. It's still downloading. Okay, while waiting, you have this information ready. So you have to have your SQL server name and then your login username and password. All right, here we go. Okay, still reading. It came here. Let me just move it. All right, there you go. Okay, so now welcome to the migration assessment tool. So this wizard will guide you through connecting to your Dynamics ERP SQL server and allow you to select which companies you want to analyze. It is recommended that you run the wizard on your computer that has the Dynamics product client installed, as it will help create a more comprehensive assessment. Only metadata and aggregated data from your SQL server is collected and sent to be analyzed. You can view the data collected before sending it for analysis. Okay, so now we have to provide the authentication token, which is over here. Let me copy, and then paste it here, and then hit next. Okay, so now it will ask me for the SQL server name. So just want to show you, this is my SQL server and this is my company. Okay. All right. So let me show. I'm going to use SA, but you can also use different username. It's okay as long as it has access to the server. And then put in your password, server password, and then connect. And then it detects my TWO Fabricam, which is in my SQL server. And then select the set file. The reason why you're selecting the set file, it's because your set file has all your ISVs or all the modules installed and your third-party products. Okay, select that set. We're going to go to program files. So, okay. And program files 86, find my dynamics GP. It's in is dynamics okay right here under dynamics GP. That set file open. All right, and then save, and then you will get this window. All you need to do is run assessment. Run. All right, it's starting the assessment in a system, management reporter, and a Fabricam, and all these modules. Well, I didn't install the management reporter, so it's fine. I have this information, I have the summary, I have the detail. So detail, and then it has my dynamics version, system database size, all right, and all this info. Okay, so now I want to send these results to my email. Send results. Okay, the results have been successfully uploaded to the server to analyze. Once the analysis is complete, you will receive an email with the link to view the results. Okay, all right, so that's done. And then I want to go to my email again. And here's your email, view your Dynamics ERP assessment results. Okay. And then here, your Dynamics GP ERP has been analyzed and the results of your assessment are ready to be viewed. Click here. Okay. All right. So right now I'm logged in as me, and this is my assessment as of today. And this is my dashboard assessment results. Thank you for investing time running assessment tool on your current Dynamics GP. Below you will find details on what type of information we're able to gather based on what ISVs feature data you have in your solution. You can select the breakdown below by system, company, features, and impact of those to your migration journey. All right, so in this section, you will see the migration risk. I have one and then three small. Okay, and then because I did not install ISVs in my TWO Fabricam, so that's why it says 0 here. And then you got the information. All right, this is your database size, and then this is your SQL. All right, that's my SQL information. All right, so this is my cloud migration. Check, check, check. All right, more. You can see that. Okay, so now let's move on to issues by category. So this is, all right, this is your infrastructure, change tracking enabled. Just move this up. All right, so this, yeah, determines the version. All right, so company issues. All right, so far there's no issues right here. Okay, so all you need to do is really go through on each of this and assess what you have. And I'll go jump into migration risk. So I will not focus on low risk. All right, so I want to see if there's any high risk. Okay, so there's one high risk. It says here unbalanced historical summary. Balances, once unbalanced. Click on that and then you will see this. The Business Central migration tool will attempt to migrate history summary balances. If transactions are not balanced, you will receive posting errors and batches will not be posted. So one unbalanced summary balance will not migrate correct associate journal entries. So you can run this query in your SQL server. So you can, yeah, you can copy that and then paste it to your um, SQL server. Okay, let's run it on my TWO. All right, so I wonder what this is. So I'm gonna execute. All right, so hmm, it doesn't say anything here, but it seems like there's a year 2024 period 12, and this is the amount. So that's all you will get on this query, and then you have to go back in your GP and look at this amount. All right. Okay, let me go back to the assessment. Here, what else we have? So that's one. There's some medium risk. 263 records detected in the inventory purchase receipt work table with no valuation method. Okay. And then direct posting to retained earnings. One transaction has been directly posted to retained earnings account. All right, so let's see what's in there. Okay, so there's a select statement again. Let's see. All right, paste it there, execute. All right, this one is easy because it has a journal entry number and you can check what was the problem. It seems like the beginning balance. Okay, and let me go back. All right, so I think for me, I would focus on the medium risk and high risk. And here's another one, which is duplicate records across summary, open, and history years. So you just have to copy and paste this SQL script into your SQL server and then go to, yeah, there's some more in here. And this is the company details. So finance, it will tell you number of records in GL open, number of records, shipping. All right, so this is your info. There's a lot to go through. And then, yeah, so HR inventory, just expand that. You will see more records, project accounting, and then POP, sales, and then your setup. All right. All right, so once you're done with this assessment, and then you're ready for migration. So we're going to do that on the next episode.